Winter. It's beautiful. The snow blankets everything in a pristine white, transforming the world into a winter wonderland. But winter also means snow, and snow means work. Lots of work. The kind of work that makes you dread looking out the window in the morning. One of the biggest pains? Shoveling snow. It's a tough job. The snow is heavy and it feels like it never ends. It makes your back hurt, and your arms ache. Every scoop feels like lifting a ton of bricks. But the worst part? Snow sticking to the shovel. You push and lift, but the snow just clings on. The snow just sits there, stuck. It refuses to budge, making the job twice as hard. It makes the job twice as hard. You have to stop every few minutes to clear the shovel. You have to bang the shovel, trying to get the snow off. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and it feels like a never-ending battle, trying to get the snow off. You look at the clock and realize you've spent hours just trying to clear a path. There has to be a better way, right? Well, there is. Imagine a solution that makes snow shoveling less of a chore. You need something to stop the snow from sticking, something that repels water, something that makes the snow slide right off, something that makes this tough job a little easier, something like WD-40. Just spray it on your shovel and watch the snow slide off effortlessly. WD-40, it's a miracle worker. It's in every garage, every workshop. It's the go-to solution for countless problems. From squeaky hinges to rusty bolts, WD-40 has got you covered. And it should be in your shed too, especially when winter hits hard and snow starts piling up. Why? Because WD-40 displaces water. That's the key. Water makes snow stick. WD-40 stops that. Here's how it works. First, grab your shovel. Make sure it's clean. No dirt or grime should be on it. Now grab your WD-40. Shake it up good. This ensures the formula is well mixed and ready to work its magic. Spray a nice even coat. Cover the whole blade. Make sure every inch is coated to prevent any snow from sticking. Don't forget the shaft and the handle too. This will make the entire shoveling process smoother and more efficient. Let it sit for a few minutes. This allows the WD-40 to fully adhere to the surface. Let the WD-40 work its magic. You'll be amazed at how effective it is. Now you're ready to go. Your shovel is prepped and primed for action. Go on, give it a try. You'll be amazed. The snow just slides right off. No more struggling with heavy, sticky snow. It's like magic. No sticking, no banging. Just smooth, easy shoveling. Winter chores become a breeze. So keep a can handy and make your life easier. WD-40 is great. It's a household staple for many. But maybe you're out of it right now. You go to grab the can and it's empty. Or perhaps you can't find it in the clutter of your garage. Or maybe you want to try something different. Maybe you're curious about other solutions that could work just as well or even better for certain tasks. Don't worry, there are other options. One of the most surprising alternatives is cooking spray. Yes, the same spray you use to keep food from sticking to your pans. Yep, the stuff you use for your pans. It can be a handy substitute in a pinch when you need a quick fix. It works in a pinch. Just spray it on the surface you need to lubricate, just like you would with WD-40. Spray it on just like WD-40. It creates a slippery surface that can help in various situations. For instance, if you spray it on your snow shovel, the snow won't stick. It makes shoveling much easier. Another option is car wax. This might be something you already have in your garage. It lasts longer than cooking spray. While cooking spray is great for quick fixes, car wax provides a more durable solution. Apply it before the first snowfall. This way, your shovel will be ready to handle the snow without it sticking. It'll create a protective barrier that lasts through multiple uses. Another household item you can use is vegetable oil. You probably have some in your kitchen. It's not as effective as WD-40, but it can still help in a pinch. Apply a thin coat to your shovel. It'll make a difference. Finally, there's paraffin wax. It's a bit more work, but it provides long-lasting protection. Warm up the shovel. This helps the wax adhere better to the surface. Rub the wax on. Let it dry. This creates a durable, slick surface. Your shovel will be ready for anything. So next time you're out of WD-40, remember these alternatives. They might just save the day. Section 4 Benefits of WD-40, making snow removal easier. Why use WD-40? Let me count the ways. First, it makes shoveling easier. Way easier. The snow just slides off, no more struggling, no more backaches. Second, it saves you time. You'll clear your driveway in half the time. More time for hot cocoa. Third, it protects your shovel. WD-40 prevents rust. Rust eats away at metal. WD-40 stops that, keeps your shovel in good shape. Fourth, it's affordable. A can of WD-40 lasts a long time. It's a small price to pay for easier snow removal. Section 5, real-world results, WD-40 in action. Imagine this. Two neighbors, both shoveling their driveways. The first neighbor didn't use WD-40. His shovel is covered in snow, he's struggling, his back is hurting, it's taking forever. The second neighbor, he used WD-40. His shovel is clean, the snow is sliding off. He's making quick work of it, he's smiling, he'll be inside soon, sipping hot chocolate. Which neighbor do you want to be? Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace easier snow removal. Snow shoveling doesn't have to be a nightmare. WD-40 can make it bearable, even enjoyable. So, next time the snow falls, grab your WD-40, spray your shovel, and get ready for the easiest snow removal ever. Trust me, your back will thank you. Got any other tips for dealing with winter chores? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more dirty jobs made easy.